So today's task on the agenda is the vapour barrier that we're going to be putting inside the van. We're going to cover all the walls and eventually we're going to cover the ceiling. But we've got to make provisions for electrics and obviously water. So we've got a couple of other things to fit in before we can do all of it. So we'll be taking you through that today. So the vapour barrier that we've got is a silver foil based. And here we have some. It's got a pattern on the back, so unfortunately it's not self-adhesive. Comes in about 1 metre length. I've got a couple of rolls of this, and we're hoping that there's going to be enough to do everywhere inside the van to give us that vapour barrier between the insulation and the inside world, if you like. Now, to attach that, what we're going to be using something called enclosure tape or self-adhesive tape. This is silver foil based, sticky back. The idea, I think, with this is we're going to be putting this across the top and then dropping down our vapour barrier so that we can then attach our batons. Weren't sure at the beginning whether or not to put the batons on first and then the vapour barrier afterwards, but having looked at other videos, I think we've decided that we're going to put the vapour barrier on and then batten out afterwards. So that's what we're going to do. So at least we've got everything sealed in there. As you can see, we've got framework in for his windows. and there's a little windowsill there that we will be covering that. We'll be doing a finisher around the edge. Run out of wood. As luck would have it, we've run out a piece that would go across the top. We've got some at the bottom, and obviously we've got that one finished as well. Looks like a spaceship. So today's job is going to be battening out some of the wood that's going to be holding on the panels. So we're going to be doing that today. Going to make a start. Not really sure where everything's going to do, but we'll take you along for that journey. We might find that back end comes down a bit. A longer piece of wood from there to there. You see if that goes to there. We've put a brace on the back. I think someone else who were watching on YouTube, they missed that one off and they had to put it in later. We've seen their video, so basically what we're doing is we're preempting that mistake. We've left a little gap in the middle in case we need to bring any wiring down, and as you can see we've now got this first part of this roof joists in. Like I said, our build. Oh, just one last thing, we've now got the board size there, and that board is going to be our electric bay. So we decided to put all the electrics close to the front of the van, close to where the batteries is, and I think they're going to build a cupboard around that with our induction hob. So we've gone for a slightly bigger battery unit. We're now on 24 volt rather than 12, and we're also going to be using a bigger inverter for that. So the last thing to do today is framing out. So basically what we've done is we've got some plywood and we fitted it around the windowsill. So we're going to frame it out. There we go. Right guys, if you are following us on our Sprinter build, then don't forget to give us that thumbs up. That does help. If you want to subscribe to the channel, it makes it more available to everyone else. Everybody else can see what we're going through and what we are up to. So guys, that's about it for today. I'll see you next time.